Okay, here we go. Activity 17, PAWS. This activity is just a refresher on formatting and changing colors, font size, and everything. There's only one new thing I'm going to teach you real quick, and that is how to make columns, and how to make columns with spacing in between the columns. So this silly putty document is something we've been using in the past. So see, this is just like a normal document. Well, if we wanted to make this into columns, we can make it look like a newspaper, kind of. And all you have to do is highlight whatever you want to make in the column. I'm just going to highlight the whole document, and then you just go to Layout, and then right here, down drop, Columns, and don't click on 2, 3, 4, left, right away. You just want to click on More Columns, and then you get some options. Okay, so I can click on 2, or you can click on 2 right here. And then in our document, we want to make this 0.4 inch spacing. So if you make it 0.4, just ignore this, the width, just the spacing. You want to make it 0.4 equal column width. Apply to selected text. Yipper. Pow. Watch what it did. So it made it look like a newspaper. Okay. Now, if you really wanted to make it look like a newspaper, you go to Home, and you can justify the text. And remember what that does. It separates it, spaces it out equally. Look. Now it really looks like a newspaper. Pretty cool. Pretty easy. Pretty simple. All right, Microsoft Word, you work for me. All right, the rest you should be able to do no problem. Okay, there you go.